My clients describe me as authentic, dedicated, honest, personable, and determined. I got into real estate over 20 years ago after being a special education teacher in Fairfax County Public Schools. When I started my own family, I wanted to be home with my kids, but also needed to find meaningful relationships with other adults. As my kids grew, so did my business. I would say there are two main things that separate me from the competition. One is that I am very friendly and easy to talk to. I make it my priority to get to know my clients on a personal level. I like to get to know their style in both properties and communication. And I do want them to feel that they are the only ones I work for during that time. I love that I am their sounding board and spend as much time as it takes to listen and talk through my clients' needs and concerns. Second is that I make it fun. Whether you are buying or selling, you will not be bored. We will make sure we have some fun along the way. I would say the biggest challenge is aligning expectations with reality. Sometimes it's a process, and I approach it with sensitivity and patience. I will hold my client's hand through the whole process, from the very beginning stages all the way through closing. They have to be comfortable with all of their decisions. I cherish every relationship I get to build with my clients, and it often results in friendship. I think of my clients as members of a family, and we all want our family to be happy. It's so gratifying to see the look on their faces when they walk into the home they want to buy, or when I get to make the phone call that we have a great offer on their house. I'd been with Long & Foster my whole career, and I had stayed with them because their core values align with my own. The idea of being of service to others and providing immeasurable value during what is considered a very stressful time. I am here for them through it all. I am Cristina Dougherty with Long & Foster in Fairfax, Virginia. How can I help?